Diagnosis codes are some of the most useful data elements in claims data. And for doing analytics, we need to tie the presence of a diagnosis code for a patient to a given date. So how do we assign dates to diagnosis codes on a claim? Well, there's several different date fields in medical claims. In Tuva, we model raw medical claim data into a medical claim table, and this table has multiple rows per claim. There's one row for each claim line. And there's several date fields in this table that could potentially be assigned as the date corresponding to the presence of a diagnosis code on the claim. So we have a claim start date and a claim end date. These are header level fields that are the same for every claim line within a claim. We have a claim line start date and a claim line end date. These are line level fields that could be different on different claim lines. And there's an admission date and a discharge date. These are also header level fields, and they're only present in institutional claims. So what dates do you associate with the presence of a diagnosis code on the claim for that patient? The way we do it in Tuva is we do a coalesce that looks like this. So we first look for the presence of an admission date or a claim start date, and only then we look for the presence of a discharge date or a claim end date. I'd be curious to know if anybody does it in a different way, or if anybody's noticed any difference in analytics by choosing a different way. We've noticed that some small seeming decisions on how to define certain concepts can lead to unexpected drastic differences in downstream analytics. I'd be curious to know if anybody's noticed differences in defining dates for diagnosis codes in a different way.